All right, guys, here's the finished product of redoing the tail section. So it works out fine. It does change the angle of the light a little bit downward, just the way those other holes are positioned. So it's not a big deal. I'm 99% off-road on this anyway. And I'm boogieing through traffic if I have to get through it. So I'm always advancing. So what I did was I used the upper holes on this fender piece. I cut off this bottom section that had cracked off. That was there. And there were two more mount holes higher up that they didn't use for some reason. So you can see on the back side what I did. I put these big bolts in here into the previous holes that had threaded nuts inside. So you got two big bolts here, these guys with big washers. Well, the original bolts with one washer and then even a larger washer to spread that surface area out. Then I told you I was going to drill through that. This is where I cut off that little pointed piece that cracked off right here. These were the old bolt holes right here that cracked through. So I drilled through and added a third screw in here just to keep the leverage off of these guys and the bounce. So then I just, as I mentioned, I moved the whole plate up. So this was here, and I just pushed the plate all the way up and drilled 4 new holes and used little lock washers. I already lost the plate on this thing once by mistake because I'd used 2 small washers and it ripped through, and I only had 2 on there. So I put 4 on, larger washers. That should be good. I don't have all that weight bouncing. I just cut off the bottom. I didn't V it up like I thought I was gonna do. I just left it simple. And then I just used my file to round off these rough edges, cut these rounded. And so it came out fine. 4 screws, 2 of the original bolt holes just moved up higher. I had to oblong these holes. These holes right here that were already there were too close, so I oblonged them outward. I just used a drill and oblonged them. It's just plastic, so I had to oblong them outward because I had to get a wider stance for this thing. The factory inserts were a little wider than the other holes that were there, so it's no big deal. Just use a drill and oblong them outward, and I got them in there, and they're in there really tight with the big washers. So I think that's going to be a big improvement. I don't have the weight bouncing. I got 3 holes there. Again, I said the tail light's a little tilted, but no big deal. All right, back together again, and I can ride it, and I won't rip out the wires. All right, talk to you guys later. Appreciate it. Likes and subscribes. Hope it helps. Remember, there's part 1. No big deal. This is a simple fix, but now I don't have to buy no tail tidy kit for 70 or 100 or 150 bucks. Take care.